Well, hi everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandma, and I'm bringing you the Menthonol um, review part two. And this is the Menthonol that I introduced you to about 2 or 3 days ago. And let me see if I can figure. Excuse the glare. I'm up in my art room, and I'm very happy with it. Um, some things happened over the weekend that made me actually really use it. First of all, my granddaughter hurt herself some kind of way and had a little accident when she was playing with soccer and at school, and her knee swelled up, and I put some Menthonol on it. And she said to me about half an hour later, "Damn," she said, "it's like this Band-Aid that just kind of went around my leg." And she said, "My leg is all gone down. My knee is all gone down." And of course, I have arthritis, so I put it on my arthritic knees, and I put it on my little arthritis. In fact, I'm gonna put some on right now. Thing is, you got to wash it off if you're gonna, put your hands in your eyes and stuff like that. Now, what I read about it is that it took them 20 years and about $35 million to perfect this. So, sometimes, and the thing about, and of course, it smells like menthol, which is good for your sinuses too, by the way. And the thing that I really like about it is that I put it on my knees, and it does feel like this little Band-Aid just wraps around. The thing that really happened to me, when was it? Sunday night, since I had the stroke, over a period of years, if I stand up too long or I'm washing dishes or something like that, my side aches. And my doctor x-rayed it a few months ago and said, "Well, there's nothing wrong with your side." She said, "It's just probably some arthritis." And she said, "We'll check on that and everything like that." Well, I got the Menthonol out, and I said, "I'm gonna rub this on there." That's why it took a few days coming back. And I rubbed it on, and about maybe 10 or 15 minutes later, I haven't, and in fact, I've actually felt it. I've washed the dishes. I've done a lot of things. I'm doing some things in my art room, and I'm really quite proud of it. So, again, I'm going to put everything up in the comment section, and I want you to, and I'll put everything so that you can look it up as well as if you want to buy it. I would love to be the spokesperson for this because I don't have arthritis really bad, but I would like to take it around and introduce it when I go to the doctors and different things like that, because this is wonderful. And I you know me, so I don't just sell things to be selling them, but this, okay, is really good. Okay, and like I said, I would tell anybody, I would yell this from the rooftop. This is really fantastic. So, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll leave you everything in the comment section. I love you. Take care. But, and I kiss myself this way because, bye bye.